So who is a graphic designer? So a graphic designer is someone that does the graphic design itself. Let me just put it that way, okay? Someone that does the design itself, that uses all the elements of graphic design, the principles, obeys the rules and everything that surrounds graphic designing. That is the person referred to as what? Graphic designer. Let's talk about the elements of graphic design. One of it is line. So if you look at this picture closely, I did something here using Pixel App for the illustration. So we have different apps you can use. We have Canva, but I'm using Pixel App. So if you look at this video closely, you understand what I'm doing there. I'm trying to make use of all the lines in the search bars that gives different view of my write-up. So this one now in particular is curved, that one was curved, this one is for alignment. Okay, so we have different kinds of it, even the 3ds and all that. So if you look at this video very well, there's a write-up I placed by the side. Read it and understand the use of lines and the types of lines we have. They all give unique views to our graphic designs. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be talking about color, which is also one of the elements of graphic design. So ensure that you study this video very well, like, share and comment. See you soon. Bye.